Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm at Canary Wharf at Market Hall. We'll try out some food. It's got lots of selections. Got butch cheese and some other restaurants. Let me show you around. Can I have one strawberry, please? Yeah, that one. And can I have one raspberry lychee one? The vanilla, please. Tropical pandan. What's that? Apple crumble one, please. You can have the lemon one, please. That was nice and soft.
No, that's possible.
Got little strawberry flakes. Chocolate. Right guys, look what I just got from my normal. Watch this. Dragon roll, a sashimi. Let's dig in.
3, 2, 1, cheese! Wow.
If you want to try this one, it was £20 for this whole roll and sashimi. Just coming down, give it a try. I'm going to try more food later. So yeah, let's eat. Yeah. Let's try it out. Tempura prawns, avocado, lots of flavour in it. Yeah, a bit of soy sauce. So. Try some sashimi.
Have you tried crocodile with ketchup? It tastes really nice.
Just got my 6 chicken wings, £8. So let's give it a try. Let's see. They gave it to us. They gave it to me straight away, like it was ready. Simple wings. It's nice and soft. Hot, very hot.
What do you want to order? That would be great. It will come here shortly. It is your chicken buff chalet.
Very crispy. Look at that. Looks very crispy. £8 for 6 wings. I love my wings. How you eat the wings, look.
You're welcome.
So roti.
Oh yeah, it's okay.
A big glass.
Big glass?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm fine with either.
We get a pint there.
Spinach roti. Yeah. Curry sauce. Right guys, that's me done in the food hall in Canary Wharf, and the place is very big, upstairs, downstairs, got a big bar in the middle. The waitress was working hard, they kept on coming on the table, making sure the table was cleared. So far so good. I'm going to try more food and give it a little taste and then have my reviews. Place is nice. You can see, watch this.
I wasn't sure this was
upstairs, got downstairs, seatings, nice location. So yeah, I'll give the service 10 out of 10, 100%. The food was nice, I'll give it 8 out of 10. But the pricing could be better. It was alright. It's a bit expensive, but I'll still come here again with the kids. The kids enjoyed it. It's kids friendly, even dog friendly. Look. They allow dogs in here as well. dogs are just walking around like it's their house. But yeah, I wouldn't really recommend that. Dogs walking around when there's people eating. Not a lot of people like dogs, but it's definitely kid friendly in the sense where there's lots of food choices for the kids. So yeah, hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace.